Come out of here. So this is when we go walking. This is what we're gonna go walking in. See? See, you just sitting there. Nobody's gonna hurt you. Say hey to the people. Hey. So I got my backpack, and when we need to go walking for some fresh air so he won't get loose, I got him in here. Y'all see, he just chilling. Look at him. He just chilling. Yes. Hey, baby. Look. Look. Everyone, look. Y'all see him? Hey, Punani. Hey, good morning, y'all. So I wanted to let y'all see Peace in his backpack. Like if we go walking or something. Look at it. Look at him, y'all. Say good morning, people. I got a backpack that I can sit and ride. You see? We just go walking. Just like that. Just hold on, pumpkin. Just hold on. So, I hope y'all have a good morning. And me and Peace is about to go on a little walk around the neighborhood really quickly. Y'all be blessed.
You guys are so cute. Are you enjoying yourself?